Hello everyone, this is Dharini Rajaram. I am a pianist based in Chennai. First of all, I'd like to thank Madras Sounds for this opportunity. Thank you for making me a part of the Performers Spotlight. This is an original song that I wrote and it's called Thedal, and I'd love to perform this for you. நான் யார் என்ற தேடல் சுடுதே. நாம் வேறில்லை அர்த்தம் தருதே. ஞானங்கள் தொடக்கி வைத்த தேடல் தான். இங்கு நாளொன்றும் முடியவில்லை விடை கொண்டுதான்.
Hi Dharani, how you started your career as a musician?
So, music has always been a part of my life since childhood, but as a career in music as such started probably a year and a half back when I started performing a lot, especially inside college, as in KM Music Conservatory, where I learn, and I eventually started to perform outside. People started noticing and calling me out for shows, gigs. That's how it started as a career.
For how many years you have been learning music?
Okay, I started off by learning to play the keyboard as a kid, and I learned Carnatic music for a couple of years, and then I learned Hindustani classical music for 2 years. And it's been 3 years since I started learning to play the piano.
Who is your tutor?
My teacher is Mr. Shamir Mohammad from KM Music Conservatory. He is an amazing pianist, a brilliant musician, and a really good teacher. So yeah, I am lucky, in fact, to have gotten him as my teacher.
Who is your best critic?
Best critic. Um, number one would be my mom. Number two would be my teacher, my piano teacher. And I am myself a very self-critical person, and I guess I get a place in this list.
Your favorite genre?
Favorite genre, definitely classical music, be it Carnatic, Hindustani, or Western classical music. It has always been my go-to. And I listen to a lot of pop music, and jazz just blows my mind.
Will you take this as your profession or part-time?
I am choosing music as my profession.
What's your aim in this?
My aim in music is to give. When it comes to being a performer on stage, or as a teacher, or as someone who programs music, as someone who writes, composes music, I would always want to give. It has been a part of my expression of giving a part of myself. I guess that's my aim in it, to get better at what I'm doing, to do more music, and to be able to give a lot more.
How far your family is supportive?
My family has been super supportive of me pursuing a career in music. Of course, I could not have done anything without their support. So yeah.
The best stage artist whom you like the most?
Harish Shivramakrishnan for sure. I'm a huge fan of Agam the band, and I go crazy watching them live. Yeah.
Your favorite pianist?
Favorite pianist? Well, there are a lot of pianists that I look up to. When it comes to Western classical music, it would be Valentina Lisitsa and the comedian and pianist Victor Borge. His stage presence is amazing, and I admire Jacob Collier and Jesus Molina for the brilliant musicians that they are. When it comes to Indian pianists, I am a huge fan of Stephen Devsey, Anil Srinivasan, Alan Varghese, who plays for Kelvi Kuri the band, and Mari Shakti, who is a part of KM Music Conservatory. So I look up to all of them.
Your favorite poets? Why do you like them?
Favorite poet in Tamil would be Bharatiyar and Kannadasan. And in English, it would be Khalil Gibran. I mean, the depth and wisdom in their words, it's just pure magic. It transforms the kind of person you are. So that's why I love these people.
Your aspiring role model.
I love the work of a lot of artists. I am inspired by a lot of people in life, but I do not have a role model as such. As in, I do not believe in the concept of, trying to become like someone else. At any given point of time, I would choose to become a better version of myself rather than to become like someone else. So, yeah.
Thanks for spending your time with us.
Thank you so much.